If you're looking for me, this is where I will be. I'm gonna make a coffee to go outside, so I'm gonna move all the shot glasses. I don't really know how to use an actual espresso maker, but if I have one available to me, heck yeah, I'm using it. I should probably ask someone, but we're not going to. So, make some steamed milk. Cinnamon in it. I'm gonna put some vanilla stevia. If I could do this. My mom and dad got this espresso machine from a thrift store for $30. Really made a huge mess. We're gonna have to clean this up. Rub daddy's little eyeball in this thing. It'll clean it off. Scrub daddy. Turn this to a big cup. Milk. I'm gonna go drink my coffee outside with the view. Really doesn't get any better.